New guidance issued tonight about when Bexar County schools should reopen in person. Good evening. I'm Aaron Wright. The new directive looks like a traffic light with green, yellow, and red zones. Eyewitness News reporter Henry Ramos explains what happens when schools hit the brakes and the gas.
San Antonio is in the red zone with this pandemic. Metro Health believes having school in person right now is a bad idea. The number of children infected with the virus just keeps growing.
In mid-May, just as reference, 3.8% of COVID-19 cases were among people under 18.
That rate is now over 12%. KENS 5 has learned more than 5,000 kids in Bexar County have tested positive, ranging from infants to 17-year-olds. On Friday, the local health authority issued new guidance for schools. It says school officials should tie how they operate to how the virus is spreading in the community.
We are working with our school districts to make sure that they're operating in a safe way.
The new guidance is broken down by colors: red, yellow, and green. Red is where we are now, meaning no in-person instruction is recommended. Yellow is next. In this phase, 6 or fewer students per classroom are recommended. In-person instruction should prioritize students with special needs and those at high risk. Green is let go, a thumbs up to in-person instruction along with CDC guidance. But even in this last phase, Metro Health says they're still at risk.
There is highly unlikely that a school in San Antonio is going to open its doors and not at some point within the first month experience COVID coming into the community. This is so prevalent in San Antonio at the moment. It is likely to end up in a school as well.
Henry joins us live. Henry, we're in the red right now, so when will we know if schools can move into the yellow or green?
We're in those color phases, kind of like what we see in a traffic light. They're all based on health indicators. You see, Metro Health will be tracking the positivity rate, the doubling rate, the 2-week decline in COVID cases. This is why these next few weeks are so critical. The health directive also requires schools to report to Metro Health on a weekly basis. We're live tonight in the Northwest Side. Henry Ramos, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.
Henry,